Hey guys, Brian from Wrenches and Rides, and if you have a 2017 through 2019 Ford Escape, no matter what engine you have in it, you have Ford's auto stop engine shutdown. So when you put your foot on the brake after the engine warms up, the engine will automatically turn off. When you let your foot off the brake, it will start up and you will keep going. That can be very annoying in different climates because your air conditioning will drop to half while the car is off, and or you will lose oil to your turbo. A lot of negative things can happen, and realistically, while your engine's idling, you don't save that much fuel. Now you can turn this off very easily with this OBD 2-port module from TRL Automotive. It's called the Auto Stop Eliminator. It installs in seconds. It doesn't track anything on your vehicle. It doesn't change any programming on your vehicle, and it can in no way void the warranty in anything because once it's removed, you'll never even know it's there. It's a simple communication device. Let's dive in, install this quick, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to install this guy one-handed. Camera is going to be in the other hand. I do have a light down here just to help you guys see. OBD 2 port is located behind this panel. Simply pull it down, line up the back correctly, how it's supposed to be, push it into place, close the panel. It's that simple. Now we'll get in the car, start it up, and we'll notice the auto start is off. So in this case, when you put it in gear and stop, the engine would stay running. If you want to use the auto stop feature, you can turn it on or off, and this module will remember the last position that it was in, so when you start up the car, it will stay on or off. But if we turn off the car at that point with the auto start off, start it back up, you'll notice it stays off. Very, very simple, very, very easy to use, and very effective. No matter how you feel about the auto start and auto stop system, if you want to get rid of that annoyance, it's very, very simple. I'm going to leave some links in the description below as to where to purchase this item, but installing it is nothing to worry about no matter what your skill level. If you haven't already, give us a like in this video, subscribe to the channel. As always, we appreciate your time. Have a great day.